Hello everybody, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how the compare feature works. So I have a presentation open here. It's called Compare File 1. So I've sent a copy of this presentation to a colleague of mine, and my colleague has made some changes and they mailed it back to me. So I'm going to compare the two presentations with one another to see the changes, and at the same time I'm also going to either accept or reject the changes. So to get to the compare feature, I'm going to go to my review tab at the top. In my compare group, there's a button that says compare. I'm going to click on that. And then the computer is basically going to ask me, where is this file that you would like to compare the presentation with? So it's on the desktop. So I'm going to click desktop on the left. I'm going to scroll all the way down until I see compare file 2. So I'm going to select that option. I'm going to click merge, and it will open up this revisions pane on the right hand side. And I'll see that there's a little icon there with a checkbox, and it says inserted Paris, and it will give you the name of the person that inserted it. So if I check the box, it will display the change for me. So my colleague added Paris there as another bullet point. So if I leave the checkbox checked, that basically means I'm accepting the change. If I leave it unchecked, I'm basically rejecting the change. So I can either check the box or uncheck the box, or I can use the accept or reject buttons up here in the compare group. I do like the bullet point there, so I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to leave the checkbox checked there. So to go to the next change, I'm going to click on next in the compare group. So there's another icon with another checkbox that says inserted picture. It will again show me the person's name. So if I check the box, it'll show me the change. So this picture has been inserted by my colleague as well. So once again, if you leave it checked or unchecked, that'll either accept or reject the change. I kind of like the picture, so I am going to leave it there. I'm going to click next at the top again in the compare group. So I can see on the left hand side, this is jumping to slide 3 there. I can see that there's another icon there with another checkbox. So it says inserted Qantas. Again, it will give me the name. If I check the box, I can see there that Qantas has been added as a bullet point as well. So these are airline options. I think it's a good idea to have Qantas there as well. So if you are happy, you can just click next, and it'll have a message that pops up. That was the last change in the presentation. Do you want to continue reviewing from the beginning? If I click continue, it'll basically just jump straight to the beginning again. And again, I'll just click next, 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 and I'll end up back to this message here. So if I am happy with all of the changes, I've accepted all of the changes. So I'm just going to click cancel, and then I'm going to click on end review in the compare group. And I'll get another message. Are you sure you want to end the review for compare file 1? This will end the review and any unapplied changes will be discarded. So I'm going to click yes, and the changes will now be there and they will be accepted. So Paris has been added, the picture has been added. And if I go to slide 3, Qantas has also been added. And there you go. That's an example of how to compare two files with one another in PowerPoint.